Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're tackling how to move files from OneDrive to your hard drive in 2025. With cloud storage filling up fast, knowing how to transfer files locally is a game changer for managing your digital life. Whether you're a student, professional, or just tech savvy, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection and access to your OneDrive account. You can do this via the web browser or the OneDrive app on your computer. Start by logging into your Microsoft account at onedrive.live.com. Once you're in, navigate to the folder containing the files you want to move. This could be photos, documents, or anything else taking up space. Next, select the files or folders you need. Just click and drag to highlight them, or hold Ctrl and click for individual selections. Now, look for the download button. It's usually at the top of the page. Hit that, and OneDrive will start downloading the selected items to your default download folder on your computer. But wait, don't stop there. To move them to your hard drive, open your File Explorer, locate the downloaded files, and simply copy or cut them. Then, paste them into the desired location on your hard drive, like a specific folder or an external drive. A quick tip: if you're dealing with large files, this might take a while, so be patient and ensure your hard drive has enough space. Also, remember that downloading from OneDrive doesn't delete the originals, so you can always access them online if needed. In 2025, with improved OneDrive features, you might even see faster transfer speeds. Keep an eye out for any updates. And there you have it. Files successfully moved. This method keeps your data secure and gives you more control. If you run into any issues, like sync errors, double-check your internet or try using the desktop app for a smoother experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.